look at that fog! Baguio City!
Pag nagpapausap sila ko.
You went to the gym? So we're in Baguio City at the top of the mountain. I can't see it. It's alright. Ito na. Ito na. Ito na. I don't know if I can see it. There's nothing on this side.
Get pa more.
Get pa more. Oh my god. Marcel's dying. She can't take this. She's gonna get sick and throw up on everyone. Everyone's taking pictures. Are you sure this is Ate Roach or we're just following?
Sabi ko sa inyo, may daan patungo sa langit. Oh.
You understand?
Lapit na. Oh. Ayun na, malapit na. Malapit na ang langit. Masakit ito, hindi natin kung yung ba talaga yung sinusunod.
Oo nga no, hindi pa natin nakikita talaga yung loob.
Oo nga eh. Baka mami, nakikisunod lang tayo. Kaya pupunta na kung saan lugar yan. Teka, saglit. Ay naku, Diyos ko. Ayun na yung langit, malapit na. Wala bang intuwan to kala ko ba? Bayan lang ng Baguio. Probinsya na naman ng Baguio to. Ano ba yan?
Oh my god.
Baka naman tinutur lang tayo.
Oh my god. We're on top of the mountain. Ah. That's a Jill scream. Oh my goodness. We're on top of the mountain.
Ulap po.
Malapit na tayo sa langit!
May matrek.
Skinny pigs. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's more there. Skinny pig.
Is there chicken in there? Yeah.
Tik tilak. What did Mom say? Tik tik. Oh, there. Ash. Ash. Where you at?
Santuki, das ist Santuki.
Ay!
Ano, deponit din.
Kahit kakain na tayo. Sige,
Pwede
na kumain.
I-click na. Kaya man kami maninti kinain ba po? Kaya kitidawat mo yung Amen.
Amen.
Ay na.
I love it.
You're not going.
Inside.
Ash, you ate?
California.
Wow, good job.
Because we have the bread in the car if you want to go get it. If you want to come back down.
Baka ngayon lang sila kumain dito. Ay, nang ganito.
No.
Say hi, I'm Daniel.
Manu. Play.
No.
I'm Josh. Say I'm Josh.
Hello.
You're not on the phone, dude.
Oh.
Great.
Oh.
One with the chicken and two with the egg. Have you hatched egg? Oh, there's already inside the basket. There's already inside the basket.
Oh, what? What's inside the basket?
What's inside?
There's a hen ready.
How do you know?
The hen
It's a
baby.
hen.
How do you know that?
Have you hatched egg?
Yay!
Have you hatched egg?
All of them? Wow. Oh! Julian, get down here. I'm good. Where's it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, that's hard. It's not gonna come through. No, that's so cool. Oi, you're the opposite. Oh.
I just got Boy, okay ba dyan? Ano yan? Kaya lang titignan ko muna yung ikot sa kanila.
Sayang po.
Dito yung view.
Dito kaya dyan, nagpuna lang ako.
Paano pababa?
Mabigat ang pay. Kaya ko yan, kaya natakot talaga.
Paano ka mababa?
It's chilly.
Hindi.
Yeah, it's working.
See the front?
Big smoke.
Whoa, there's a lot! And
I cannot whisper.